Alright, so as I ended my last video, another watch came in, and this one is the kimsdun So it's KIMSDUN. I guess that's kimsdun. Okay, kimsdun. Okay. Oh, let me put it back. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Let me put it back because I was supposed to show you the box, right? You see, this is the box it comes in. You see it? Looks nice. Yeah, it looks nice. It's all cardboard. It's all cardboard. Like, not as nice as, well, same material. Same material. Okay. Comes with a pillow. I just threw that in the floor. I'm sorry. No manuals like the other watch. Now, this is supposed to be like the AP. And right off the bat, me just picking it up with the plastic, it feels great. I don't know, I can't remember how much I paid, maybe 30, 40, 50 bucks on Amazon. This thing is already moving. So let me take it out the wrap. This blue band is feels great, thick. I don't know if this is rubber or silicone. I don't know what this is, but it's thick and nice. Wow, this is pretty heavy. See if it's stainless steel. Stainless steel. Back, water resistant. Okay, stainless steel back. So maybe the rest of it is not stainless steel. It's a stainless steel back and it's water resistant. Okay, whatever that is. What kind of movement? See, it doesn't. Let me see if I can look up the description to tell you what kind of movement and whatever else. But you see that? See that watch? This watch is nice. It feels nice. So I'm assuming it says stainless steel back. So I'm not too sure if that means only the back is stainless steel. And what is this made out of? What is this, the front side of it made out of? Let me read the description for you guys. Read the description. Let's go. Found it. Let's see what it says. Amazon. Let's click on it. Click on the watch. Okay. Advanced design. So it says stainless steel case. So the whole thing is stainless steel. Premium materials using. It's a Japanese Myoto quartz movement. Okay, there you go. It's a Japanese movement. So that's great. It's a Japanese Myoto movement. Look at that. Yeah, so yeah, this is supposed to be like the well, I can't say it's supposed to be like anything. Like it's his own watch again, but it looks like the AP. Is it an offshore? Let me make sure I'm telling you right. Again, I like watches. I'm not. I barely know the names of this stuff. I barely know the name of this stuff. Okay, yeah. So this is supposed to be like the AP offshore right here, and it looks just like it. To be honest, let me look at an AP and see what's the difference. See what's the difference. Okay, so let's say affordable. Let me see what the difference is. I guess, well, It's looking like, no, that's the same one. So I'm seeing a lot. Oh, I typed, that's why, my bad. Let me type in the real one. Okay, it looks just like the real one. Yeah. See, I was seeing where you see it's 3 different things on there. So I was seeing some in different spots, but now that I had Homage watch, but now I type it in, it's similar. It's very similar. Yeah, it's real similar. It damn near is the watch. This is it. Again, this is a kimsdun watch. I like it. I don't think no instructions came with it or anything, but it's already working. Stainless steel. The only thing I don't like is how the stainless steel words look kind of brown on the back. I don't know if that's dirty or what, but let me put it on the wrist. So I'm gonna get I'm gonna switch this out for the class that folds, you know what I mean? Because I think it looks a little better with these kind of watches. Yeah, that's what I think I'll do. But, you know, I don't mind. I don't mind it like this. So let's see how it looks on the wrist. Ooh. Okay. Put it in there. Pose. There we go. That's how I look on the wrist again. If you want to show people your watch, So what you been doing? What you been up to? Oh, okay. So that's how you do that. But that's how I look on my wrist. I have to show you. Somebody texted me. Who texted me? Okay. But if you see. So if you see it right there. That's how I look on the wrist, man. Yeah. I like it, but yeah. So I think it should have had like the little clasp, you know, the kind of like the other watch. You know what I'm talking about. It should have had the clasp on here. But again, let me see how much I paid for it. How much did I pay for it? It says it's $45 right now. So $48,599. So $46, and they have a variety. So they have an all black one with the rubber, with the band like this, the rubber or whatever that's called. That material's called. It has a gold and basically a rose gold looking one with the black band. Then it has so it had a rose gold one with the black bezel. Then it has an all rose gold one with the black band. Then it has the all is rose on the sides and all black in the middle, and the bezel is black as well, and the band is black. It's a lot of rose gold and black ones. There's different versions of them. Then you got a black, all black with white face with the black band as well. Then you got the one I got, yes, with the blue. Then you got the silver and black one. And then you got another silver and black, different combinations of silver and black. Okay, so they have different combinations on there of different colors. But this one looked the best to me, so I copped that one. This looks really expensive. I don't know why, because back then we used to do like G-Shocks. So I wouldn't be surprised if G-Shocks come back. I used to have an all blue G-Shock. I think they were about $100 back then, maybe $2. I can't remember. But I used to have an all blue one, and I like that. I think I had a green one as well. But I don't know what happened to them. Probably lost them, threw them somewhere. Didn't give a fuck, you know. That's how that go. But yeah, these are nice. I'm debating whether I should review the other watch now, because I think it's another watch that just came. Again, I spent a couple of dollars to make some content for you guys, because you said you wanted to see more watches. Yeah, I'm a jewelry guy, so you're gonna see a lot of jewelry on my channel, but these watches is getting good. You feel me? These watches are getting good. And you don't even need like you don't need to spend too much money to look like something. I mean, you never did. Like, it's all about your swag anyway, but like, you don't have to spend that much money. This looks just like the AP, and this is good enough for me personally. Someone else might say they can't do that. They have to get the real one. This is not fake. This is a real company, so this is the real one. But what they would say is, no, it's not, blah, blah, blah. Hey man, if you fit in it, it's a lot of people, and most of the time it's people who don't have it, and they try to go and get it, and then they looking stupid. After they get it, now they have to sell it. So that's how that works. You wore it for 10 days, and now you have to sell it. Makes no sense. Just go buy you one of these, man. Whew. And you probably lose out on that jam, because 9 times out of 10 you're going back to the same person you bought it from, and they're gonna be like, shit, yeah, I'll buy it back. Yeah, I mean, I'll buy it back. Now you done lost 10% of your money, man. Tell me some is an investment. Yeah, I like it. I like the blue face. Everything's going well. Again, the only thing I didn't like is it looks kind of brown. I don't know if it's just the light hitting it that makes it look brown on the back. Like, because let me see it again. Let me take it off real quick. Because when I look, okay, it's not brown, but it's I don't know what color that is. It's like it's a deep engraved. You can tell that part about. They could have did a better job on that part, but for real, for the amount of money, I ain't tripping. Now I wonder if you can really unscrew these, or these fake screws, because I got something to unscrew it with. I ain't even gonna mess with it. Take it apart and put the AP in that. Frankenstein watches. But no, seriously, this is nice. I love the face on it. You know, I'll probably wear it with something. You could match it, but me personally, I just put it on just to put it on. And most likely, it won't match anything that I have on. I'll just put this on just because I know it's blue. I might wear all red and put this blue watch on so it can stand out. That's how crazy I am. But this will go good with some blue and gray or blue and white, you know. But me, again, I'll probably put this on. I have a bright orange shirt on, and I'll put this on. Yeah. I like this watch. I might be wearing this watch a lot. But I also, matter of fact, I'm not, the next video I do is going to be more watches, but that might be so the next 2 videos is going to be more watches. Well, I can't say the next 2, so let's just know that it's more watch videos coming. So this one you'll get 2. So this will be, I did one earlier, this will be 2. So yeah, you'll get 2 videos of watches. Then I'll make another video. The next one is gonna be something special. Should I unbox it for you guys? Maybe I'll unbox it for you guys. And yeah, it's gonna be basically it's not my watch collection, but a collection of a certain kind of watch. You get what I'm saying? Because I think this would make the third one, and I did not review the second one that I had got for you guys. So, and I'll review that one. So I'll review all three of those at the same time, if you get my drift. I already had one, and then I got two more. So, and they all different brands. So, yeah. But kimsdun. It's kimsdun. So it's close to Kingston, but it's kimsdun. So that's what kimsdun watch is nice. And I'm about to go on their store on Amazon and see what else they have to offer, because this is nice. I might even get the one with the steel or the metal band. I might get that one because the metal band one will look nice too. Now that I see this one, if they have like a yellow face or a sky blue, royal blue, any color face with the steel bracelet will be good. So yeah, I wonder, you know what? And then I'm gonna have to test these glow in the dark. See if they glow in the dark and stuff like that, man. But yeah, I like this. All right, peace, man. Like Della Reese.